this is the Ultratex Nova filtered shower head. I just got this from the brand in the mail, and I wanted to show you how easy it is to install. First of all, comes out of the box. It comes with a little bit of Teflon tape and an extra few rubber washers if you need it. Filtered shower head. All right, so in order to install, all you have to do, come in counterclockwise, unscrew your old shower head. Make sure that's all clean. Up there, mine's really clean, so I'm not worried about it. And then you just screw this on. There is a washer in there. Make sure it's already seated. It came shipped that way. It's exciting watching someone turn the screw. All right. It has this knob on the side to change the 6 different versions of water that come out. Let's see if it's gonna leak. If it does, we'll add some tape. But it does not leak. Perfect, super easy, super simple. And then you have filtered water. After I take a shower with it, I'll let you know how it goes. So we've been using the shower head for a couple of days now, and I really enjoy it. I like that the water pressure has remained the same, so it hasn't taken anything away, even though it's being filtered out all the hard metals in our very hard water. I have noticed a little bit of difference in my hair. It feels a little bit silkier. We'll see, maybe that will even improve more as time goes on. I don't know. But mostly it was easy to install. The filter is very easy to change. There's just a little button that you hit. 6 different water settings if you just want, the middle to pelt you or more of a shower and everything in between. Really just a great shower head.